just jump. Look. Girl, I got the blonde enhancement. I got this. Girl, we here. We here, Olaplex. I'm here. I hope you see me. Alright, just got back from here. I used to love this place, but I've been working on budgeting and doing the right thing. So anyway, I picked up this because I finished my hair. I got this Olaplex hair treatment kit. I'm becoming an Olaplex fan. I did not want to go on a bandwagon, but Olaplex, they comment on my video. Shout out to you, Olaplex. I rock with you. Shout out to you. Can I get on your PR list? Like, get me on the PR list. I'm an advocate for y'all at this point, okay? I'm trying this because I want to try the number 0 and do number 3 because I bleached my hair again. And I got this from Ulta for $66 with tax. And it's a good deal. I thought, though, that these were like full-size bottles, but why would they do that? Because if that was the case, it would be 30, 30, 30, 30. 120, just half the price. And that's because you get, you know, I guess half the product. But it comes with the number 0, number 3, and then a shampoo and conditioner. And so I'm excited to try the. I'm gonna try these two today. I've already tried the shampoo and conditioner, but today I'm gonna use the number 0 and number 3 because, like I said, my hair is bleached and it's over bleached at this point, and I need to give it some love. So let's open this up and see. Let me toss it up correctly first, and I'll be right back. Okay. Leave this in here all night, girl. We're gonna keep this in here all night long. I actually got a lot in here, actually. good deal. It's actually a good deal, Olaplex. You get a lot of product. I didn't think I would have enough, but wow. Leave this in my hair like a conditioner. You know, it's a final conditioner. It don't tell you to wash it out. It says use weekly as a pre-shampoo treatment. Okay, we pre-shampooing a few days in advance. Okay. All right. Wow, you get a lot of product. I didn't think. Oh man, Olaplex. Y'all need to go on and get your girl. I know I'm a small creator, but listen, independent small creators is what matter. Okay, don't discount us. My little subscribers gonna be building. I'm gonna be an early proponent for you. Okay. Some of my videos on Facebook get hundreds of thousands of views. And tens of thousands of views on Facebook. But I do my hair videos here, but alright, Olaplex, don't fail me now. Alright, leave that in there. And I'm done with my hair at this point. The hair is retied and revived, and we gon' make it outside. Alright. I ain't got enough left for the next application. I thought this was gonna be like a one, you know, give you like a little sample size. But for $66, that's not bad. Now what I wonder, because on the website, I wonder if this is the size you get with the $30 price, because it says the same amount, 5.2. And I really think you get this amount for $30, which I think that's kind of messed up. I wish if they had like a big size, a big size, it'll be worth the one-time investment. But number 3, girl, it says not a conditioner. It's not a conditioner. They made that clear. She is not a conditioner, honey. Okay. Make sure I really get it on my ends, because that's what's really break in. You hear me? All right. I think I'm done. Hair, you are done. And then when I wash my hair, I wash my hair every week. Don't even get the line. I wash it every week. I'm gonna wash this probably in 2 weeks, and then use these again. Okay, Olaplex. I'm almost in the Olaplex jump. Look, girl, I got the blonde enhancement. I got this. Girl, we here. We here, Olaplex. I'm here. I hope you see me. Okay, PR me. Okay.